What's up, everybody? Here we are back again, about to do our third coat of paint, but our first coat of blue. And here we go again, getting ready to do that. Before we get started, I did notice something that I didn't do, and that's I did not lay it on its side and get the bottom. So we will have to figure that out at some point. Not sure exactly what we're gonna do, but you know, it'll be alright. Not too difficult of a fix. We'll make it work somehow. But I'm gonna set y'all here so you can see again, and hopefully I don't get any paint on anything like my phone or whatever. Here's our color blue, in case you didn't tune in earlier. It's a gloss spa blue. And let's see how this one looks and turns out. I think that's looking pretty good so far. What about y'all? If you've watched the video for this long, which isn't very long, comment blue in the comments. Well, that's our first coat of this. This gloss spa blue. I think it turned out pretty good. Definitely changed the color. Kind of looks exactly how I thought it would look in my head. On the camera, it looks a little bit darker than what it actually is. So that's kind of weird looking at both right now. It's definitely going to need a second coat because you can see in a lot of places where the white is bleeding through. But we'll get another coat on it and get it to where it looks like it's supposed to look. And then we're going to cover all that in clear before we go any further with continuing to build this birdhouse and make it more of a birdhouse, because I still got to put holes in it. I still got to put little steps or limbs or whatever you want to call it for them to land on before they go in it. And then I've got to come up with something to mount it on, or to, or whatever. I think I have an idea for that. I think it involves that metal pole right there, but we'll get to that step when we get there, because that's probably going to be an entirely different day, entirely different video when we get to that point. But as always, thank y'all for tuning in and watching the videos. Don't forget to stay hydrated, because it is hot out here, which it actually feels better today than it has the past several days, or the past several weeks actually. But it's still hot out, especially when the sun decides to show itself, which right now it seems to be totally just about covered in clouds. So there is that. But we will see y'all probably in about an hour. Actually, let us dry a little bit longer than an hour, so an hour-ish, with another layer of paint before we go with our final layer. If the blue covers completely this time and we don't have any white showing, we'll put on our final layer, which will be our gloss layer. Thank y'all so much. We'll see you in a little bit. Peace out.